Hi editors, let's create this vapor typography in After Effects. Create a new comp. Create a text layer. Adjust the grouping alignment. Now let's create an animation. Go to Text, Animate, and add scale, opacity, and blur. Go to Range Selector, Advanced, set the shape to ramp up, ease high, and ease low to 50% each. Now animate the offset from -100% to 100%. Create another text layer and repeat the process. Only this time, instead of the ramp up, select the ramp down and animate the offset from 100% to -100%. Pre-compose each text separately. Create a new null object and parent each text to it. Animate the scale and add this expression. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Create a new shape layer. Name it Blur Map 01. Add a grayscale gradient, black on the left, white on the right. Then, animate the start point. Duplicate the blur map and rotate it to 180 degrees. Turn off the visibility of the blur map layers. Add a camera lens blur to each text pre-comp. Set each blur to its corresponding blur map. Create a new shape layer. Rename it to BG and place it beneath the text. Create another shape layer. Rename it to Noise. Add a fractal noise effect. Set the noise type to swirly. Increase the scale. Set the complexity to 3,1. And add this expression to the evolution. And set the blending mode to overlay. Create a new adjustment layer. Set the blending mode to lighten. Add Gaussian blur and grain. Create another adjustment layer and add the colorama effect. And finally, create one more adjustment layer. Place it on top of everything and add an optics compensation effect. reverse the lens distortion, and animate the field of view. Your vapor typography effect is ready. If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.